name is Chandini Antal. I'm from Cleveland, Ohio, and I'm studying at The Ohio State University. My majors are accounting and hospitality management, and I chose Florence because of all the opportunities within the food industry. One day I hope to open up my own restaurant, and I chose Florence because that's the spot I feel like I would be able to learn the most. So what I do here at Shake, it kind of varies depending on the week. I'm a little more project-based, which I really like because my job never gets boring. So in the first few weeks here, we were prepping for the grand opening, and we were making graphics just so everyone was aware that people were going to come to the grand opening and everyone's going to come check out the new location. And now I've been working on menu development for the new location of a new restaurant. So really learning what goes into making a menu and what all the steps are behind that and what goes together. That's been a really unique experience, getting to work at Shake Cafe, which is its own restaurant and cafe. It's been a dream come true because I've got to see a full functioning restaurant. Socialization is a little bit different here. It's actually more part of the culture within the workplace. Interacting with people is part of what you get to do here on a daily basis versus an extracurricular back home. And so that's been really interesting. I never really thought of that difference until I actually came here and experienced it for the first time. When I first got here, I wasn't quite sure what I was gonna do, and my internship, I was expecting to be told what to do every day. And that's not exactly how it turned out. I was given a lot more space to be creative, and I kind of wasn't expecting that. So it took me a while to actually get in that creative headspace. At this point in my career, I did not think I would even be pitching ideas like that. Given this much creative freedom, I did not think this is what my internship would be like at all. It's really awesome that I get to do this early on in my career, and I never thought I would have this opportunity so young to do so.